Alright, anybody, since you want me to wait, dog online maps, I will do it. Jeez. Everybody's picking dog online, and I don't like it. Okay. Okay, first off is whoa, blah, blah. I'm gonna give Woad a 5 out of 10 already because I just wake up like an hour ago, so yeah. Don't feel like doing anything but being on his phone. Okay, because the monsters are kind of annoying. Next. Habit. It smells like shit, though. I'm gonna give this map a 3 out of 10 since it's not since you can fight other people, so yeah. Fear. 2 out of 10. No, like, because I just don't like it. It's kind of hard. Okay. Hell shit. 0 out of 10. You cannot even kill the boss. Try and do this video real quick. Next. Top ass. 1 out of 10. If you have like 2 phones, this is for you. Aslan. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 if you're wrong, but 5 out of 10 if people keep taking you wolves. Next. Food City or Flight City. Everyone's there, so yeah, I don't know. So I'm going to give City a 5 out of 10. Next is Swamp, and next is Swamp. 0 out of 10 because yes. Fort City Part 2. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10. Next, try and do this quick. Highway. More like highway. Okay. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10 since this is where the Russians usually talk. Like, I farted it. Okay. That ain't real shit. Okay. Next is Battle. Also known as Dolo. I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 10. But with other people, 5. Next, Broken High shit. I'm gonna give it a 2 out of 10. The Banzai also did a glitch where you can kill the spider monster, so yay! Monster shit. 0 out of 10. But if you have a hacker, 6 out of 10? Dupla. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. It's a beautiful map, but booka booka. Okay, stop. Next, witch ass. -1 out of 10 because you cannot even kill the hyenas. And they beat your ass. Is that all? I think I did all. Yeah, I did all. Yo, where's the Costos map? Well, I don't want to show that right now because it's not even on yet. I am now waiting 5 years just for it to come on. And bye.